Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add collage in Canva. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just go on the left side and click on Elements. In here, type on the search bar Grid. Now here, just click on See All Grids and select whatever you like. I'm going with this one. Now just upload the image over here on Uploads and just hold it, drag it to the frame like this. And that's it. You're good to go. That's how you can make a collage in Canva. If you find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.